This whole issue about equality, diversity and inclusion is so big, it frightens people. And rather than do something, they'll do nothing at all. But if you can cut it down into small chunks, you've got a much better chance of being able to achieve something in terms of progress, in terms of embedding those aspects of, as I said, treating people equitably.
The Cultural Competency Certification scheme is all around reducing the inequalities faced for Black, Asian, minority ethnic communities across Wales. I think what TAFE and what the Pathway 2 process enabled us to do was to actually develop, redesign our scheme specifically for the adult education sector to reduce the inequalities faced by not just Black, Asian, minority ethnic students, but staff as well, to really understand how organisations or adult education sector can become much more culturally competent, culturally focused and culturally aware.
The trip took us to Crete and the workshops ran from 9 to 5 every day. It was a constant learning. It was an informal form of learning that I think works best with adults because you don't know you're being taught.
So the international partner was Fractality, and I think their real key skills of developing are kind of twofold really. One was their experience in developing and delivering what was Erasmus programs across Europe. But two was also their local knowledge of Crete and where we were and introducing us to individuals and organisations, but also as well that ability for leadership and development. So it was offering the volunteers who came with us and our staff team as well who came with us something a bit different.
We had lots of talks and dealt with all different subjects, how people relate to each other, different cultures, ethnic backgrounds. It was just very informative to hear how young people are still so passionate about trying to make a change for the better.
We kind of have three main outputs that we see. One of which is we will have a Black History of Wales digital resource that will be made available to all adult education sectors and quite frankly to all sectors across Wales as well. We will also have a bespoke cultural competency toolkit for the adult education sectors and our dissemination events, bringing in organisations together to learn about what we have done in our whole Pathway 2 process, what we're planning on doing next, and discuss how we can take cultural competence forward into the adult education sector in Wales.
I think the benefits to adult education from this project, we will have created a system by which you can quality check what is going on in a way that is supportive of staff and not punitive. I think that it might also encourage Black and minority ethnic adults to go into teaching, which then in turn encourage more adult learners from Black and minority ethnic communities.
We were not successful with a Pathway 1 application, and I'm pleased that we weren't, because the reality was, after conversations with TAFE staff and the team here, it kind of became clear that Pathway 2 really was what we wanted. It gave us the ability to go away, have really detailed, focused time together to develop something on a much more strategic level, rather than about the mobilities and individuals and the people's journeys, although that was a massive part of it too.
I think that exchange and sharing is always a good thing. As long as you go with an open mind and a willingness to listen and learn, I really think that we need to do more about helping people to see others in their own locale. I just think it's a brilliant way of learning and developing new ways of working.